everyone. Welcome back to our Beginner English podcast.
Hi, Emma. Hi, listeners. Today we are at the grocery store in England.
Yes, today's topic is at the grocery store. We will learn useful phrases for buying food, asking for items, talking about prices, and discussing quantities.
Let's start. When you enter the store, you can say, "Hello, can you help me find apples?"
Or, "Hi, where is the bread section?"
Repeat after us. "Can you help me find apples?" And "Where is the bread section?"
At the store, the worker may ask, "What kind of apples do you want?"
You can answer, "Red apples, please," or "Green apples, please."
They may also ask, "How many do you want?"
You can answer, "3, please," or "A bag, please."
"Hi, can you help me find apples?"
Sure. What kind of apples do you want?
"Red apples, please."
How many do you want?
3, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Sometimes you may want to ask about prices. How much is this? And is it on sale?
Repeat after us. How much is this? And is it on sale? Excuse me, how much is this bread?
It is $2.50.
Thank you. Is it on sale?
Yes, it is on sale today.
Great, I will take one.
Perfect. At the grocery store, you may also ask about sections. Where is the milk? And where can I find eggs?
Or, do you have fresh vegetables?
Repeat after us. Where is the milk? Where can I find eggs? And do you have fresh vegetables?
Hi, where is the milk?
The milk is in aisle 2.
Thank you. And where can I find eggs?
Eggs are in aisle 3.
Great. Do you have fresh vegetables?
Yes, they are in aisle 5.
Thank you very much.
You may also want to buy multiple items. You can say, "I'd like to buy apples, bread, and milk, please."
Or, can I have 2 bags of rice and some tomatoes?
Repeat after us. "I'd like to buy apples, bread, and milk, please." And, "Can I have 2 bags of rice and some tomatoes?"
At the grocery store, you can also talk about quantities and weights. I need 1 kilo of apples, please. And can I have half a kilo of tomatoes?
Repeat after us. "I need 1 kilo of apples, please." And, "Can I have half a kilo of tomatoes?"
Hi, I need 1 kilo of apples.
Sure. What kind of apples?
Red apples, please.
There you go.
Thank you. Can I also have half a kilo of tomatoes?
Yes, of course.
Perfect.
You can also compare prices and choose products. Which is cheaper, apples or oranges? And how much for 3 bottles of milk?
Repeat after us. Which is cheaper, apples or oranges? And how much for 3 bottles of milk? Excuse me. Which is cheaper, apples or oranges?
Apples are cheaper.
Great. How much for 3 bottles of milk?
3 bottles are $6 in total.
Thank you very much.
You can also ask about product quality. Are these vegetables fresh today? And is this bread homemade or from the bakery?
Repeat after us. Are these vegetables fresh today? And is this bread homemade or from the bakery? Hi, are these vegetables fresh today?
Yes, they are fresh.
And this bread, is it homemade?
Yes, it is homemade.
Perfect. Thank you very much. I'd like to buy apples, milk, bread, and tomatoes. How much is it in total?
The total is $15.
Here is the money.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. At the grocery store, remember to use polite phrases. Excuse me. Thank you. Could you help me, please? I appreciate it.
Repeat. Excuse me. Thank you. Could you help me, please? I appreciate it.
Great job, everyone. Today we learned asking for items, asking about sections, asking about prices, buying multiple items, talking about quantities and weights, comparing prices, asking about product quality, checking out and paying, and polite phrases at the grocery store.
Very useful for beginners and everyday shopping.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye-bye.